You can also draw him as the Dark Masked King from the first time we saw Xeno King Vegeta from the original Super Dragon Ball Heroes TV series. Anyways, so far I've drawn like 3 Masked Saiyans so far. Xeno Bardock, Xeno Goku Black, which I don't know about. Sometimes I call him the Crimson Masked Saiyan, that's what they call him. And now, Xeno King Vegeta, which I'm drawing right now. I was gonna draw him with one of the Dark Dragon Balls in his hand, but now I decided to draw him like this. So, let's get started. I just drew the Super Dragon, the Xeno mark on his chest. Let's get started. There we go. So there's the Xeno Goku Black Xeno mask mark. Now we just draw this mark here. Okay, so let's do the hood later. Let's just skip down to the neck. Go. Okay, that's clear with that.
Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning. In fact, it was a little bit frightening.
You know, for some reason, I never realized that Super Dragon Ball Heroes had a lot of new characters in store. Typical. There we go, folks. There's the Dark Masked King. The Dark Masked King is now finished. Pretty awesome, huh? Anyways, I'm gonna sign off for now before this wind gets out of hand. Anyways, please like and comment and subscribe to my channel. And based on your comments below, I'll be reading what kind of character you want me to draw next. Till then, I'll Stegosaurus. See you later.